What's up, everybody? It's your girl Carlin with Strong with Carlin, helping you guys become Strongfident. What's up, everybody? What is up? Happy Monday, guys. Happy Monday. Today's episode, we're going to be talking about navigating challenges with a growth mindset, guys. Because, girl, let me tell you, we all have challenges like that, right? So listen, if you woke up today thinking, why is this happening to me? Girlfriend, I got news for you, okay? You didn't just end up in this situation. No, you co-created it. And before you come for me, girlfriend, just hold up, okay? I'm not saying you asked for the struggle, but what I am saying that your subconscious mind has been working overtime behind the scenes, setting the stage for your reality. So today, we're going to be breaking it all down and we're going to be coming clean with this, okay? So let's get into it. You see, we question ourselves, why is this happening to us, right? Let's talk facts. Ever notice how certain situations or patterns keep showing up in your life? Like, for example, the same toxic relationship, the same money struggles, and the same why am I still freaking stuck situation. And let me tell you something, that ain't a coincidence, boo. That is your subconscious mind running on old programming that you have the power to rewrite. Yes, you actually have the power to rewrite that. You see, God already gave you the power to co-create. The problem is that we manifest from our dominant beliefs, not our wishful thinking. Did you know that? So if deep down inside you believe you're not worthy or not capable or that life is just hard, guess what, girlfriend? That's exactly what you're going to keep seeing. You see, but today we're going to be freaking shutting that situation down, girl. I'm here to help you out because I don't want you to be living your life like that. I want you to thrive in every area of your life, girl. Okay? Because look, I'm going to be honest with you guys. This is a little story time. I've been there and I've done that. Okay? So let me tell you. Look, I was once there. I went through a season in my life where I felt like everything was falling down, falling apart on me. Money was just lacking everywhere. Opportunities were freaking dry. And every door I knocked was like, nah, girl, not today. You are not welcome here. Like all these doors got shut down in my face. And I remember sitting here and then praying like, God, like, why is this happening to me? Why am I going through this? Like, what the heck's going on? Have any of you guys ever felt that way? I'm pretty sure you guys have. And girl, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys, when I was asking God the situation, I was like, God, what is going on? I need help. What's going on? Why me? And then it hit me with, why do you believe you can't have more? Why do you believe that I'm doing this to hurt you? Why do you think struggle is your only opinion? And girl, when I got that message, I was like, oh, hold up. Wait a minute, Jesus. Hold up. That really hit differently. You see, I had to face the fact that deep down inside, I was still carrying old beliefs from my childhood. Beliefs that said that money was hard to get, that I had to work myself down to the freaking ground to earn success, and that things just couldn't come easy for me. And guess what? My life was reflecting those damn beliefs right back at me like a bad freaking Snapchat filter, girl. You know those ugly Snapchat filters? That's what I felt like. But when I started programming my subconscious mind, okay, when I started programming everything and affirming that blessings like would chase me down, that I was worthy of abundance and believing that God wants me to thrive, girl, guess what happened? Things started to shift. You know why? Because I stopped identifying with struggle and I started walking in the version of me who already had the victory. And that's what you need to do right now. You can change your story. You can change your mindset. You just have to work towards it. Okay? Look, I'm going to give you guys a Strongfident mindset shift so you can reclaim your power. Because here's the truth. Life isn't happening to you. It's happening through you. Listen to that again. Life isn't happening to you. It's happening through you. Everything you've ever experienced is a reflection of your energy that you're holding inside. It really is. You're holding something inside. So let's do a little quick check-in, girlfriend. Okay? Look, let me ask you a question. What are you telling yourself about your situation daily? Or you keep telling yourself, my situation is never going to get better. Why am I here? Why am I there? Are you reacting like the victim or are you responding like a victor? Let's be realistic here. Are you focused on what's wrong or are you seeing the lesson and using it to level up? Which one are you doing? Oh, girl, you know what? You're right. I'm actually seeing like it's a lesson and I'm not using it to level up. Girl, that was me. Don't feel bad. But this is why every single day you got to level up. Because, girl, let me tell you something. You didn't come this far to fold under freaking pressure. You came here to win, girl. And if you're facing a freaking challenge right now, good. Good. I'm glad that you're facing that challenge right now. Because that means you're about to break through something big because God is stretching you for what is next. And I'm saying this the nicest way ever because, girl, I've been there, done that. And the blessing that I got after, well worth it. I knew, I'm like, okay, God, now I see why this is happening. Now I see why things are supposed to happen the way they do. Okay, here are some tips in order for you to shift your mindset ASAP, okay? Number one, you're going to own your energy. Stop blaming external circumstances. Take radical responsibilities. What beliefs got you here? For example, like what do you keep telling yourself? Money's hard to get. You got to start changing that. How can you shift them? Okay. Number two, you're going to declare it differently. If you keep saying, I'm struggling, I'm this, I'm that, well, guess what, girlfriend? You will be. Instead of say, I'm learning, I'm growing, and I'm about to level up. Okay. Number three, pray plus move, girlfriend. Because remember, faith without action, girl, that's just wishing. And let's get clear with your desires. Pray strong, okay? Pray. And then move like you've already received it. You got to walk in faith, girl. You got to walk in faith. Number four, you got to visualize the damn win. Close your eyes and see yourself on the other side of the challenge. Who are you? What does she look like? What does victory feel like? You have to embody that. You have to embody that energy right now. Not later on, right now. Number five, girl, you just got to laugh it off. Why? Because, girl, why are you going to cry about it? You got to laugh it off. Listen, some of these problems, these so-called problems, aren't even that serious, girlfriend. Sometimes the best response is a deep breath and a good freaking laugh. You're going to be just fine. Trust me. Like I found myself in situations just like, you know what? I'm not going to cry about it. I'm just going to laugh about it. And I'm like half there, like trying to like stay smiley, but I was like, it's fine. It's fine. God, I can see I'm strong. I got what it takes. And then boom, I'm like, I'm just going to laugh it out. And then you really realize later on when everything just works out, you're just like, damn, it wasn't even that bad. All right, girlfriend, let's wrap this up. Look, remember, you are strong, you are capable, and you are favored. This situation is here to break you, right? But it's here to make you, okay? Let me change that. This situation isn't here to break you. It's here to make you, okay? So I need you to stand up and shake it off. Shake that doubt and step into the Strongfident warrior that God created you to be. See, because let's be real, girl. Next week's version of you is already thriving. She's like way up there. She doesn't even know about last week's problem anymore. She's stepped into another amazing era, right? She's over here in a rich girl era, girl. Okay. So why not step into her today? Why not become her? Get ahead, girl. Like reclaim it, claim that energy. Okay. So go out there, own your week, and remember God's got you. Your blessings are chasing you down, girlfriend. And remember, no weapon formed against you shall prosper. Period, girl. Okay, period. But most important, remember that you have what it takes and God created you to create this amazing life. So, girl, start helping yourself by speaking perfectly positively things into your life. No, we don't got no negative Nancy energy over here, okay? We only speak positive things into our life. And if your situation's not good right now, well, picture that it is and start becoming that and envision that and be part of that, okay? But don't forget, girlfriend, that you have what it takes and that you are Strongfident. Have a beautiful, blessed Monday and see you on Wednesday, girlfriend.